Hey, in this episode on Joe's baby-friendly recipes channel, I'll make some cauliflower in the oven. For this, we need 200 grams of cauliflower. I used frozen one. 100 grams of sweet cheese. 100 grams of sour cream. 3 spoons of milk. Some butter and some yellow cheese. First, we take care of the cauliflower. You boil it for 5-10 minutes, then you let it reach the temperature of the room. I'll start by greasing the walls of the dish with butter. Next, I'll add the milk to the sour cream, so the sour cream will be more liquid. I'll put the cauliflower in this dish and I'll spread it equally. Then I will mix the sweet cheese with the sour cream. And I'll add this composition to the cauliflower. And I'll add some yellow cheese on top. Now I'll put this in the oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Now let's see what I have here. Ta-tam! Enjoy and subscribe for more baby-friendly recipes on Joe's Baby-Friendly Recipes channel.